Walk into the Kampala Taxi Park, and you are immediately hit with a wall of noise and color. The environment is dense, crowded, and visually overwhelming. Yet, even in this chaos, you know exactly where to send mobile money or catch the right matatu without having to stop and read paragraphs of text. Your brain filters the chaos by recognizing specific patterns of color and shape. This combination of text and image creates a visual shorthand, telling you what you need to know before you even stop to read. We are going to build a piece of that language from scratch. Our project is to design a highly effective, hand-painted street poster for Musa's Hot Beef Rolex, starting from a blank page. Hand-painted signs and printed posters act as a vital business tool, allowing sellers to broadcast information and buyers to find exactly what they need in a single glance. Every effective poster starts as a layout blueprint, assigning specific zones for top, center, and bottom. A common trap is packing every inch with drawings, resulting in an unreadable mess. The fix is white space. Leaving margins empty prevents clutter and guides the eye. With our space mapped out, we choose our lettering. Typography carries an emotional mood. Thin cursive works for a salon, but we need thick, heavy block letters that communicate urgency, action, and hunger. Let's test this intuition. If you need to design a warning sign for a deep pit, which of these 3 typography styles do you choose? Option 3. High contrast, heavy block letters instantly signal authority and danger. Layout creates the structure, and typography sets the tone. If the space is crowded or the letters send the wrong mood, your communication fails before anyone even reads the words. Now we need a visual anchor. The illustration's job is to grab the viewer's attention from a distance, while the text provides the factual details once they step closer. We place a clear, stylized drawing of our beef Rolex right into the empty center zone of our layout. These 2 elements often compete for attention. Make the drawing too dominant, and the message is lost. Make the text too massive, and you hide the visual hook. To check your balance, use the squint test. Squint your eyes at the design. You should still clearly see the dark block of the headline separated from the illustration by negative space. Successful graphic design is a strict partnership. The image stops the person walking by, and the clear typography tells them exactly what to buy. Here is the final result. The thick typography shouts the headline, the central illustration provides the hook, and the layout keeps it balanced. Look at this design next to a plain paragraph of text containing the exact same information. The poster succeeds because it minimizes the time needed to process a message. On a crowded street, that split-second recognition determines whether a customer stops or continues on. Every successful poster relies on this specific anatomy: a dominant headline, a clear central illustration, protective white space, and the specific details at the bottom. By using these principles of layout and typography, you control exactly where a viewer looks. You have turned a blank page into a clear, functioning tool for the marketplace.